Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in blockchain exchange. When you enter the website for registration, click on sign up. Then we enter the registration section, which you can register with email or linking your account to Google or importing your wallet. We choose email, enter your email and password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. After entering the password, repeat your password here for confirmation, then click on next. Choose the country of residence, and if you have a referral code, enter it here. After entering the information, click on next. We're going to receive an email. In order to verify our email, go to your email, click on blockchain.com, and for verifying your email, click here. Our device was verified, click on blockchain.com, enter your email and password, then click on continue. We're going to receive a confirmation email. In order to verify our login, go to your email, click on blockchain.com, then click on confirm device. Then we enter our account's dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in blockchain exchange. Good luck.